Good morning. We are here working today and building a fire and cleaning up. And we are also raking the yard. So I'll give you a little preview of what that looks like. Tractor with this rake and going sort of back and forth to get all the sticks and rocks and stuff that really shouldn't be in the front yard cleaned up. So he's going to go from the other end, turn around, pull back, and pull everything this way. Show you a little bit more as this progresses, but pretty handy rake, so you don't have to do it all the old-fashioned way. Catching quite a bit. I'll show you more as we keep working on this. Here's the front yard. Looking good. All the sticks and big rocks and everything are gone. It's nice and smooth. Here it is. Front yard progress. I think he's moved on to the backyard now, so let's go back and take a look and see how that's looking. Okay, so now the real work begins. This back part is going to be much more of a challenge. There's a lot more to it, a lot of muddy spots, giant rocks, some trash, some excitement. Looks like he's already got quite a few big root pieces and sticks in that rake. So he is backing up to the porch, I think. Let's see if we can get around where we can see. Real bumpy back here too. Alright, so this is sort of the next thing on our agenda. We've got to get grass planted. It's the middle of March. We're already a little bit behind on it, but we've had a lot going on, so we'll try to get this grass seed planted for back here and maybe sod for the front yard. We're still working that out. We really need some grass when we get moved in, so hopefully we can get some grass growing back here really quickly. that's on the agenda for the next couple of weeks, is to work on this and get it ready for grass. Show you more in just a bit. Alright, we're trying out a different attachment. This is a box blade we're going to try it on the driveway and see if it'll smooth everything out on the driveway. We got it to try on the backyard, but we haven't made a lot of progress on that yet, so we thought we'd give it a shot on the driveway. See if we can get through this smoke screen. We'll get down there and check it out. Looks to be making some progress, I think. He kind of went to the side and then came through the middle, pulling the millings kind of back to the surface, I think. Back on top of all the mud, which I think would be a good thing. Freshen it up a little bit. There's been a lot of rain lately, and so all of this is just really muddy. The low point, it gets higher up as you go toward the road and then higher as you go toward the house. So this is sort of like a little bucket at the creek. We still have water flowing in our little creek, which is really nice. We don't have water here all year round, so we're always really excited when we see the water. I wish it would stay all the time. So pretty. So he should be making another pass. See how it does coming back through.